I give honor to my generals of the house, Bishop Papa, Jeremiah Uncle, and my loving daddy, Pastor Dr. Shimira Sankati Garu. And I welcome each of one you who are present here and those who are watching us online as well. I welcome you. Let's start with my testimony. I'm so interested and excited, more of it. Uh, because I don't know what I'm going to speak, so I'm excited as well. So starting with my journey, when how I got in touch to this altar, how I know about it. It was Nissi and Sharon who invited me to come to this altar, and I was not sure what is there at this altar, but then they used to always say, come, at least come once, one session, and then if you like, you continue. If you don't like, you don't have to come. But at least you come and see, you are going around window shopping, you are going all other churches to find a word. See, I'm a person I go for a real word, which connects me through to the spirit. So I was not getting satisfied anywhere. So when I came here and when I prepared, for before coming here to the altar, I prepared myself and I had come. It was Ephesians chapter 5, and when I came and I attended Shim Daddy's session, English service. That was my first session, and I'm so glad. Today we are celebrating 6 years. Oh my God, goodness. So, and I was so excited, why Lord, why, this cannot be coincident. Is it, maybe it can be a coincidence also. He must have also, prepared the same chapter and he must have come. Then as and when days were going by, then, it was, even for Telugu service, it was the same chapter. I said, what is this connection going on? What is this connection going on? English service also same word, then Telugu service same word, and then we are discussing also somewhere or the other we have interlinked or connection, same word is coming. Why this? What is this connection? Then I realized over the period of time when I started spending time at this altar, it is the Spirit of the Lord that takes over and leads us, and not a man. And I'm so humbled. Thank you, Shim Daddy. You have poured so much of you into me. Thank you, Ruthamba, for giving us Shim Daddy. I am out of words. All I can say, thank you, Bishop Papa, thank you, Ruthamba, for giving us wonderful son. And from that son, we have got a father. And today, so many sons have been, here present. And nations, we have sons who couldn't come here to celebrate this day, but they are rejoicing in spirit and celebrating in spirit. And I can feel that, and I'm just out of words. I don't know. How a small baby, all I can say about Father is how a mother carries a baby in the womb. That's how he has molded me and prepared me and protected me, all everything. How a mother takes care of the child, that's how he has taken care of me, and he has poured all of that he has got in a short span of time. I can say those who have experience in the 6 years, I just have experience in 7 months. That's a prophetic number, 7. So I'm so excited to celebrate this. I was just while the worship was going on, I don't know who has seen me or who has observed me. I was just like a small baby, just celebrating my birthday. I was just jumping at behind under that shed, and I was just jumping and rejoicing. The spirit was just so consumed, I would say. I was so consumed with the Holy Spirit, and I was just bowing down, and I was dancing, and I was jumping, and I was falling here and there. I don't know what I was doing, but all I was doing is rejoicing the man of God who has poured himself 6 years for us, for who has anywhere we could have been, but then today if we are here, it is that man who is sitting there in that corner. I love you, Daddy. Thank you for listening out to my testimony.